Hey guys, today I will show you how you can send money from PayPal to MoonPay. So let's get started. So first what you need to do is open the MoonPay app or go to their website, then tap on the buy option from the home screen. Choose the cryptocurrency you'd like to purchase such as Bitcoin, Ethereum or any other coin and then enter the amount you want to buy. Next, paste the wallet address where you want the crypto delivered and then tap continue to move on to the payment section. Here, select add payment method and choose PayPal from the list. You'll then be redirected to PayPal where you'll need to log in and complete a quick two-factor verification to secure your account. Once logged in, select your preferred funding source within PayPal. This could be your PayPal balance, a linked debit card, or a connected bank account. After making that choice, review all the details of your transaction carefully, including any fees and the estimated processing time. Finally, click confirm to finish. You'll see a confirmation message showing your purchase is being processed and soon the crypto will arrive directly in the wallet address you provided. Thanks for watching.